The Mag Manager directory allows you to display a directory of your advertisers directly to your website. You can customize the appearance of the directory to match your branding. Your clients will be organized by sections. Clicking on a section title shows the advertisers in that section. Each of the clients you include will be displayed as a business card containing their contact details. When you update client details in Mag Manager, these immediately show in the directory. If you wish, you can add further text or a logo to your listings, as we have here. Visitors to your website can click on one of these icons that take them straight to your client's website or social media pages. There is also the option to sell premium directory listings. These can be displayed as larger cards in a prominent position. If you wish, you can display badges showing your publications, so that visitors to your website just see advertisers in their area. To set up the directory, go to Settings in Mag Manager and click on Web Directory. The first of these drop-down menus allow you to choose whether to organise your directory by the Mag Manager sections, subcategories, or a combination of sections and subcategories. The next drop-down menu allows you to choose whether visitors to your website can filter by area. To preview your directory, select the month you want to preview. To customise the directory for your own branding, you can enter the hex code for the colours you want here, and modify the fonts if you wish. To save these changes, click Apply Styles. Additional CSS code can be entered in this box. The code in the blue box is the JavaScript you need to give to your website developer, so they can include the directory in your website. Our notes give you more information on this. You can choose who goes in the directory based on advert sizes by going to the Select Adverts tab. Switching the toggle here will determine whether or not clients with an 8th page advert will be shown by default. This can be overridden for individual clients. From my directory preview, I can see which clients have adverts booked into the issue I selected. If I click on a client, a new tab opens of that client in Mag Manager. On their Details tab, I can control the way the client's information is displayed in the directory by clicking Manage Listing. Here you can choose whether this client is always included in the directory or never included. If you want to display a different email address or phone number, you can enter those details here. You can also choose whether or not to display their address, phone numbers, or email address here. If you want to create an enhanced listing, including extra text and a logo, you can do so in this box. It works best if you upload a logo at around 100 pixels. If you want to sell a listing in your web directory to a client as a separate item that is not related to a booking in one of your publications, you can create a special type of miscellaneous booking which will be picked up in the directory. This is also how you can upsell a directory listing to a premium listing. Go to Settings and click on Miscellaneous Sales Items, and then on New Item in the top right hand of the screen. Enter a suitable name, such as Premium Website Directory Listing, which will show up on your invoices. You can add a default price if you wish. Clicking this box will create a premium listing. Also ensure to enable it. If you want to book a directory listing as a miscellaneous sales item on a client, go to the Miscellaneous tab and then Add New Booking. Choose the appropriate month and select either an ordinary web listing or a premium web listing. Finally, click Save Booking. So I now have a premium listing for this client for September, which I can see here on our website directory.